Hey guys, as usual, downloadable recipe for you. Magic measurement included for any friends who are outside of the US. No mushy apples, no runny filling, and we have two options with stable flaky buttery crust. Let's get right to it. First step, nothing special here. Make sure medium-low heat or just low if you need extra time to prep the apples. Now, after peeling the apples, cut around the core, then slice into half-inch thick slices. Alright, just like that. The thickness affects the texture, also choosing the right type of apples to your preferences. Moving on, stir frequently until apple volume decreases by 1/4 to 1/3 before removing, and cook the mixture until it's thickened to this syrupy consistency. Like this. The last step, just let the dough to cool down completely before filling the pie. Now let's move on to the last part. I'm using my stretch pie crust here. 100% buttery and flaky, cannot get any better than this. When ready to bake the pie, preheat the oven with a metal pan that will ensure the pie's bottom crust brown and flaky beautifully, especially when using other materials other than aluminum pie pan. Mix egg with water for the egg wash. Brush on the bottom crust so the two crusts stick together better, and make sure to overfill the pie to avoid sinking in the middle. Cover with second crust, then trim and pinch for a preferably thinner crust edge before folding. I decided to cream it this way today. 5 to 10 minutes chilling helps the crust retain its shape better during baking. Cut any decorative with the strip if you're in the mood for a fancier pie. And finally, brush egg wash just before popping in the oven for a beautiful pie. Also, don't forget some slit for venting. Just bake as instructed and we will have this beautiful golden brown crust with some bubbling of the filling, and that's when we know the pie is perfectly done. Let it cool down and eat however you like, but the first day the crust is at its best. And personally, I love eating it when still warm with a dripping scoop of ice cream on top. That's what I'm talking about. Yep, that's my kind of pie. Pair this apple pie with an easy dinner on my cooking channel for an easy, complete, and satisfying meal. If you like the video or the recipe, you may help my channel with like, comment, and share this video on your social media. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.